about, as you see Eckes in the blue Napa truck right behind Craftsman. Just turning a little bit sideways. Lane Riggs, look at that job he's doing.
Yeah, then he got into the 15. Craftsman got into the 15 of Tanner Gray. There's Ty Dillon getting into the outside wall of the red and white. White and blue truck, excuse me.
You see, Craftsman was about a half truck length up high on the back of Tanner Gray.
Top brake for Stuart Friesen there at the 52 Halmar truck.
Wow. Look at that dirt.
This would be a great shot of it here.
Right there.
He hit Lane Riggs hard. Watch Lane Riggs, that yellow truck, avoid the 15 of Tanner Gray.
Just slipped right through there, didn't he? Great job.
Looks like that Taylor Gray, maybe Corey Heim avoiding Ty Dillon.
And you see all the dirt that Grant Enfinger kicked up in the infield? Hopefully he can get that truck repaired.
Raja, the 71, also getting some damage.
Remember our buddy Ben Rhodes going to the back of the pack? He was making some ground. Let's ride with him and see what it looked like from his viewpoint. Wow.
And we saw him right behind Jake Garcia. We saw all the damage on his truck.